The baby. Sound made by Oscar. The killing.
No, please! Oh my God, no!
You will die, fool!
No, no, no! Yes, yes, yes!
The duck. The Indian flute. The way I like to sing. Poor little girl. She got shot. Open the door!
No, I won't do it!
Open it now! Do it!
No, my mommy said not to talk to strangers.
Do it now!
Oh my God, my leg!
That's it for now, guys. Bye-bye. Just to let you know, I'm not a freak or anything. I was just really bored. And it's like 9:56 a.m. right now. And I'm bored. So, yeah. Leave comments. 'Cause I'm bored.